Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach the lesson of PHP, how to make the simple registration and login part using session using PHP. There are many students who request me to make the system in PHP. So here this is the registration page. This is, if you click on this one, it will be the login page, right? So it's very simple one. So we can log in with the phone number to the system, right? So here first what I am going to do is here I am going to create the membership right here. Okay, so here I am going to create the membership. Peter, phone number, just a simple phone number. Okay, 444. Password I am going to give, confirm the password and click registration button. It's registered, system registered. Now I am going to go to login. You have to write the relevant phone number 3333123. If you enter the correct one, click sign in. It's Peter. Here it's working successfully. It's a closed club, right? It's a login, right? Here you have a logout page. If you log out, it's come to this page. So it's very simple one. You have to make it. Okay. Now here, if you enter the same phone number, you can't register here, right? If you are, again you are going to enter the name, you can't register. It's not registering. Okay, it's not registering. So you have to enter the different phone number to register. Only the member, the phone number never been duplicated, right? Very simple system. Okay, so how to do this system step by step we'll teach, right? Now here first I have to make the folder called student, right? Student folder I have created as a file. First file I have created as a index.php file. Very simple form design. Okay, first I have to get the bootstrap style, right? I am getting, go to the Google, which simply type bootstrap. Here we have to click on this one, getting start. We just copy this one and paste inside the add tag. That's the type we have to write. After that, inside the body we have to design the form. Okay, this we no needed. Right, now here only we have to put the div tag. Inside div tag we have to create the heading of sports club. After that, we have session. If there is any session error, it will be throw the error. Okay, we have to write it empty session. Okay, if it's empty session, it throw the error, right? So here we have to write the container. We have to put the container, close the container here div. Here we have to make the form design. First registration form. The form, this is a form, first one. The action will be register user.php post method. These are the fields I have created, right? Full name, this one should be the full name, phone number and password and confirm password, and we have another field called submit. This is simple form design I have made it, right? Very simple form design. Here this is a simple form design I have made it, right, with bootstrap. Okay, after that what I am going to see, this is a simple one. This is called as a making the link for the if the user already registered the account, so they will be able to log in the account. So we have a login link. We have to put it here the below the registration form, right? There's a already have a account, so we have to create this one link. So login page, if when you click the login page, it goes to the login.php page. So very simple, right? So first we look at the concept of use register login.php. When the user fill all the forms, click submit button, it goes to the user register user.php page, right? First we already created the database here. To scroll inside the database, we have created the relevant pages, right? ID, phone number, password, name, package ID, user type. This all the type I have. This simple system I have created, right? So here, right, this all the stuff, right? So here first one, as if the user, it said post submitted, if the form is submitted. Okay, if the form is submitted, first we have to include once dot we have to create the separate connection.php page, right? Here we have to add the user credential of MySQL. Localhost will be the our server, right? So here we have the username root, password will be blank, the DB school, right? This DB mean this DB school. Okay, this is a database connection. We have to do it, right? This database connection we have to call it to the register user .php page. We have to use as a include once, right? This include, right? Okay, after that we have to first we have to look at the thing is set post, right? If the page is post or not. If the page is posted successfully, here index one. If when you click submit button, this submit, right? So it's along with the post method, right? So here we check if the isset post is submit. If the form is submitted successfully, we have get all the fields over here. First we look at the phone number first, right? First we have to check the phone number, because phone number should be the security purpose. So phone number can't be duplicated. The one user can register only one phone number. They can't duplicate it, right? Only create one account. Only they check with the duplicated only for the phone number, right? So you have to check the phone number here. Right? You can here this one registration phone. Here first you have to select all from user. Where the phone number. Select all the from user table. Where the phone number here. What is the phone number you are getting here? It is checked from the database. If it is available, requires number of rows, right? This number of rows mean is their phone numbers are available is number of rows. Let's check the number of rows of the phone number. If it is available, it's show the error message phone number already exists. It return to the header.php page. Header index.php page. Otherwise, it is getting all the details: name, phone number, name, password, confirm password, all the relevant field it getting over here, right? Okay, this phone number also we getting. So all the fields we have to getting and it's check first password and confirm password is match. If you are give the different one here, it won't add that. If it should match with what is the password you enter on this box, same password should be matched on the confirm password text box, right? If you are entered here different, it won't be you won't be there register, right? You have what is the password you entered here, the same password you have to given here, then only it will be accept to register the page, right? So here if it is matching, so you have to write the query. We have to create the variable of query variable equal insert into user. We have to, this is the user table has a this is the user table, right? This user table, these are the columns are consist of user table. So this user table has this one, all the fields we have to put it here, right? Put it, and we have to check it here, right? You have to check all the stuff, right? If connection query is true, right? If all the page this one all the query will be true, then it will be executed true, mean it is all the things are added the data into the database. After that, you have to set the session. We don't need this one. Now we just remove it. Okay. If it is true, mean it's added the record into the database, right? This is the thing we have to do here, right? After that, if there is any error, it pass the error over here. Okay, it return the error. If all things are correct, it will be record is added into the database. This is the thing we have to write. Okay, so you can check here. You have put it here the message. You have to write echo right here, echo record error. Right, this is the thing you have to write. Okay, simply you have to write. This only thing you have to write. Okay, successfully record error. Right now you will be check it once more time for the purpose. You write Peter, phone number 666, password 123, register. Here it's registered, recorded that, right? It's perfectly it's recorded that. Okay, now you'll be able to log in 666 123 Peter. It's working. It's perfectly working, right? Now let's look at the concept, right? It's working perfectly well. Okay. You don't worry about that. All the codes I will provide in my website. You will be able to download this one. After that, we have to do the things is here login page. When you click the login page, in the index page, right? When you click, there will be the login link below the form. This is the login. When you click the login button, it goes to the link login.php, right? So here we have a login.php page. Here also we have to, if there is any error of the session, it will be throw the error, right? Otherwise we have to go here. This is the field. We have two fields there, right? Input phone number and password, right? If you want to log in your account, relevant account, you have to enter the your phone number with your password, right? If both are correct, you will be able to log in. So you have to validate the page. So if you enter and submit the submit button, if you enter the phone number and password, it goes to verify user.php page. Here we have to look at, when if you look at the verify user.php page, first you have to write the include once. We have to establish a database connection. Now you have to check if is set. What's the phone number you have post, right? Is set mean, but when you enter the data, on the text box phone number and click submit button, if it is posted, if the request is posted, it's coming here phone number. It's get the field of phone number and this one phone number, right? If the phone number is empty and if the it check empty, this is both check, right? Empty or not, right? So if it is not empty, it's coming here. It is setting to the, it's getting to the phone number here and put it here. Password also put it here. Now here we have to check again. Select all from user where the user phone number and password. If both are match with the username and password is match, it is here we have to write. Here we have to results. We have set the result set and set the connection and set the query over here. Now here we have to look at the session and everything, right? So here we have to do the name. This name should be this one, this field name. Okay, so this we are getting all the data from the database. This is all the data we are getting. This we have to get all the data. We are setting the relevant variables. So here first name, user type, join date, all the stuff you are getting here. Okay, it's getting. Okay, we go to this one. Right, only here. Right, it's not there. I just close it here. Okay. Right, now let's idea everything, you get it here. Now here get all the data. We have set it as a session over here. We have set it as a session, right? Session we have set it here. This is all the data. Name should be session. How to set as a session? Session we have to create like this. Session name. We have to create the name here. Name. This variable. What is the value on the this here? You have to select all the data. What's the name here? It is put it here. What's the user type? We now need this one, package ID and phone number. We have to get it here, right? The user type to me, we have registered user type here, like all the user type I have set it as a 2, so we have to write 2. Okay. Okay, if it is to me, it goes visiting to the client. We have put it to one folder client. Inside the folder we have index.php page. It is visiting to there, right? Okay, that's the thing. If the username and password not correct, it throw the error, authentication error. It back to our login page again, header login page again. Okay, so let me go to the index.php page. So okay, first we have to write a PHP tag at the above. We have to start with the session. This is the code where we start the session, right? Okay, after that we have to write the div tag. Inside the div tag we have to create the h3 tag. You have to write it welcome to sports club. So here we have to write the paragraph tag. Here we have to set the PHP echo session name here. You have to set the session name over here. What's the value you are getting here? What's the value you are getting here? You have set it repeater. Right. So here we have a logout link. When you click on the logout link, it goes to the logout page. It will be destroy everything. Session start, the session destroy. It return back to the header.index.php page, right? This is the thing we have look at here. This is the this is the coding of destroy the session, start session, So we have a function called session destroy. It will be destroy the session, but its username you are it is available on the index page. So this one, right, page, it will be destroyed and back to our index.php page. It's very simple one. Okay, it is very simple. It's client index.php. It return back to the normal index page over here. It's very simple code we have to return. Don't worry about that. This code, all the code I will provide in my tutorsfunny.com. You will be able to download and you can use it to your project. Thank you for watching. This is very essential stuff for your making the system, right? Very simple. Okay, I have made the big project, so I have cut off some lesson and put into here for the study purpose. I have cut off something and put it here, right? Very simple one. You just study and you can you have enjoyed this project, right? Thank you for watching. If you have any problem, you can contact me anytime. Thank you for watching.